Sama sila. Grabe, solid. Galing eh. Galing mo nun, Mari. Ako din.
Okay ka na dyan. Larap. Kailangan. Okay.
Okay na, okay.
Ako. Yo man, what's up dude? Hi, Chikay. I'm Andrew's cousin, you know. I've been here for too long, you know. Wanna come here sometimes? Next year.
Come here next.
Maybe. It's nice here. Plenty of isda.
Fishes.
Fishes. Let's see.
Gawa tayo ng message para kay Chikay. Hi, Chikay. I know we've never... Hi, Chikay. Ate. Hi, Chikay, ate. Nani, Chikay niya. Hi, Ate Chikay. Si Naning.
Hindi nga nakita yung Gino.
So, we're here at the boat. It's a makeshift yacht. Made of bamboo. Makeshift yacht. Wooden planks. And a guy here, see? He's walking. Such a spider dude. It's like it's normal and you know, it's like it's English. The water is sprinkling right here. Like it's English now, and my nose is bleeding. The blood is rushing through my nose. It's too much. It's too much.
Because of the sunrise in the east and the west, come together.
Right now, over me. Why is the camera to talk over here? Make it to talk somewhere else.
Have you seen Andrew?
Andrew,
But why?
where are you? Show yourself.
So, we're here.
CNN.
We're currently down here in the sea by Larap docks, making sure that we head on to set with the waves.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. Yeah. Let's just show our credits.
You know, this is our pamangkins. There are a lot. This is Daniel. Say hi, what's up? What's up? What's up? Look at the sea! Wala nang battery.